ini, which I found in 2014. Free gift from GSC. Okay, and inside they have three coasters, and they are, I think, promotional. Ini kan, we have Monkey King. I never really got to watch it. I don't know if it's nice or not. Let me know if it's nice. January 2014 launch. And then we have I Frankenstein, January 2014 juga. Siapa producer dia? Siapa actor dia ni? Tidak tahu. Okay. Also, I never watched. Let me know if you guys have watched it before. And Vegas, Macau. This one also 2014. I think this was like a January promotion lah kan. So, yep. So I got 3 very old movies that I never watched. And it's a tin lah kan, dia punya material is tin, and then underneath is the what do you call this, cork kan. So now these are functional coasters. However, come on lah, seriously, let me unzoom this. Punya lah 3 lawa, koma ada ini kan. Right, so what I want to do is I want to kind of dress it up, make it functional and looks nice. So I'm planning to do something with it. And also, okay, this is maybe something that's so dumb, but only I realize now. I used to, for the past 6 years, been using this. It has been in the house, in the living room. So we always put, if we have anything, we just put on top. And what we used to do is, if we've got any kind of mug or, you know, hot or cold beverage, and we don't want to ruin our table, we put the glass and just put on top begitu. But what I noticed is that, especially kalau gelas basah lah kan, okay, so we would put on top like that kan. But one thing I noticed is that if air sejuk, it will drip down, and just basically the water will drip down all the way to the table anyways, right? I just realized that you're not supposed to do it like this. The actual way of using this coaster is to put the cork facing up like that, so that when you put your glass, the water will drip down onto the cork and it will not drip anywhere else. Duh! Oh my goodness! Selama ini saya pakai, and I've been hating to see that and that and that in the decor of the house, because so tidak ngam, when in fact you could use that. Begitu. On to my revamp of this. I shall do something with this and make it look nicer. Alright, so Monkey King, Macau, and Frankenstein. We'll see what goes on. Zoop. Kiko, move out of the way. Move out of the way. There you have it, guys. Goodbye, Monkey King coaster. Hello, revamped coasters. If you like it, click like. If you want to see more videos, click subscribe. In the meantime, kupi-kupi dulu ba? Bye!